Make that belly into jelly.
No! No! God! Oh! Oh!
Hey, it worked.
Oh my God! Oh!
He's kicking a little better.
I could feel that in the lower back. And then my mid back, it's just my mid back's like it's a little cramped.
Mm-hmm. There's different pulls I can do also for, because I was geared for the lower back.
Yeah, that was
So
awesome.
if you want me to get this,
Yeah.
I can do a little tinier pull.
Okay.
Because I want that to open up, because that's a really
Yes.
bad spot on you.
Yes. If you could, that'd be great. But oh my
But
God.
I wanted to get to the main area, which has been this.
Yes. That was incredible. Oh yeah. I mean, I can just feel it.
Teeth on teeth, don't bite your tongue. Stay nice and relaxed. Wiggle your toes. A lot more there, huh? There it is. There it is. Just different angles, different forces, it's different parts of the spine. Probably get you more reflex here. Yeah, it's responding better.
Still kicking.
Still kicking.
Oh wow.
That was a good start to the day.
Yeah. Pretty good.
Good first spring dinger here. I'm proud of you, man. So I'm going to help you up here. I want you to stand up right away. So hold on to my arm.
All
Then I'm
right.
going to swing you around. I don't want you to pretend to stand right there, face the mirror. I'm not done yet. We still got to shoot you. We are in Sacramento.
Yep.
I want you to fix your posture.
Okay.
And this is easy to do with this exercise.
All
You
right.
see how your hands are turned down like that?
Yeah.
And then your shoulders
Like
are slightly
this.
forward. You want to do the opposite. So turn them the other way.
Like this.
Yeah. And then you bring them behind you. Just like that. Hold that nice and strong, nice and tight. See, by doing that, you're already opening up your posture. You see your chest is stretching. You're tightening up back here.
Yeah.
The only thing I'm seeing still is your head is too far forward.
Yeah.
So you want to bring that head back. And then look up towards the ceiling in this position. So the exercise starts in this position. So while holding everything tight, you can even lean back a little bit. You want to extend your head